I'm going to show you how to find and go to the casino on Schedule 1. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is press M to open this minimap, and the casino is right here. So this is the bungalow, this is where you spawn at the beginning, and if you just need to go at the spawn point at the beginning of the game and go up, and if you zoom in with the mouse wheel, you will find the casino right here. So some people don't know about this, but the casino is right here. So I will go right now and show you how it looks like. So now I'm here at the casino. As you can see, it's right here where I told you. And it's important to know that it has specific opening hours. So right now it's open, as you can see, because if I open my phone, we can see it's more than 4 p.m. So between 4 p.m. to 5 a.m. the casino will be open and you can gamble as much as you like, and you can go here with your friends and have some fun. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.